welcome to part 17, the one you've been waiting for. Yeah. Let's do it. 5-1, let's do this.
Find the gems and put them in your pocket. Then find the door and you can unlock it.
We could. I've explained that for like the 8th time.
Goodbye in advance.
What? Hold up. Level block.
Oh, a gem! Yeah!
Watch over those saw blades, they cut you. But I don't know what else to say though. I don't know what else to say.
Yeah!
What about the narrator is just getting excited about gems, like it's crack or something. I just love that.
Your salvation lies
There we go.
in that green package.
What is this? What does this bird do, you might be asking? Well, it poops her out over here. For some reason. I don't know why it does that. It just does. One. Oh no.
Be careful, prison exam. Performers aren't cheap.
Anything? Uh-oh. I forgot, you can actually, if you're on fire, you can actually distinguish yourself with the fire, which I did not do this time. There we go. Woohoo! Got it.
Well, you made that look easy.
It was. So I played it like 50 times to get footage. What again? Uh-oh. He's gone. See ya. Wait, what? Oh, okay, let's do it, okay. Is there a secret up there? Yep, put another gem. Woo!
Oh!
Next up. Damn it. Come on. Let's go. There we go.
Maybe you should invest in some clothes. You're awfully naked.
Well, yeah, we've been naked this whole time. How I get that yarn? I wonder. Well,
She was like, good job, you got the gem. Anyway, she's like,
haha, that did. So now, we can get the yarn. Give me that. Oh. Okay. Cool, I just exploded.
oh my
No.
goodness gracious!
None's up there. In here? I'm not gonna trust it. Can't. I can't go there. But I'll figure it out something. Well, off camera, of course, because I don't want you guys to see the exact same footage. I'll figure out a way to get in that little hole. You know what I'm doing here? There we go.
Numero uno.
You know, There's gotta be something over here, right? Oh no. Not you again. Not you again. Take that, you piece of gas crap! Haha! That's what you get for eating me lots of time.
Oh my goodness gracious!
Wait. Here we go. Woohoo! Cool. Good. Dive.
Everything's coming together like butt cheeks.
I think I know what I'm doing here. One gem. Yeah.
Like a break, truck. Woohoo! To the exit.
All the gems? All the...
A plus!
Yeah, that's good. Anyway, this is the end of pt.17. Sorry if it took a while to make.